Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify water shutoff notifications on Moen Smart Water, full guide step by step clearly. To verify water shutoff notifications on your Moen Smart Water device, start by ensuring your smartphone is connected. Open the Moen Smart Water app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate the device you want to check notifications for. Tap on the device to access its settings and details. Look for the Notifications section within the device settings. Here, you'll find a list of notifications, including any water shutoff alerts. Select the water shutoff notification you wish to verify. Review the details provided, including the time and reason for the shutoff. If you need more information, check the app's help section or FAQ for detailed explanations. Consider adjusting your notification settings if you want to receive alerts for future issues. You can customize how you receive these notifications, whether via app alerts or emails. After confirming the shutoff details, exit the notification menu. If you suspect a false alarm, inspect your home's water fixtures for any leaks. For persistent issues, consult a professional plumber for further assistance. With these steps, you'll ensure you're fully informed about your Moen Smart Water system notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.